Hey guys, it's Gus here. I've got another tutorial for you today. Okay, let's go on with it, shall we? None of that dilly-dallying that I know you'll hate. Anyway, so what I did earlier, I downloaded this pack of wallpapers. You can see this is an example of one, and there's a different one for each time of day. And I want it to automatically change to the right wallpaper depending on the time of day. Surprisingly, this is a little bit complicated, but don't fear, I'm here. Okay, so how you're going to do this is, you need to, well, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do, then I'll show you how to do that. What you're going to do is, you're going to create a script for each of these wallpapers, and then at a certain time of the days, you're going to set the computer to automatically run each of those scripts. So I'm going to show you how you make the scripts, and then I'm going to show you how to run those scripts at certain times of the day. So first of all, you're going to create the scripts, and I would recommend putting these in the same file as put them in the same folder as the wallpapers that you've downloaded. I will put a link to these wallpaper downloads in the description. I got them from a Reddit thread. I can't remember the name of the guy who made them, but I'll say hello to him in the description. Okay, so you're going to right click, new text document, and you're going to call it, well, you can call, this is going to be the name of the script, you can call it whatever, it doesn't matter. For the sake of organisation, I'm just going to call it o1.text, because we've got o1 morning for the first wallpaper. You see? You're getting what I'm saying? Okay, so you're going to open that up, and you're going to put some code in it. Hang on, I just need to grab that code. I will be literally less than a second. Okay, I'm back. So, I've got the code. I've just pasted it in, because I'm lazy and can't be bothered to type it out. I have no idea what it means. Well, I do, but I'm not going to bother explaining it. That's just my awful excuse of not explaining it. But that's not what this tutorial is for. So, the main thing you need to worry about is this here, what I've highlighted. This is the path of the wallpaper that you want to, well, this is the path of the image that you want to set as the wallpaper. So, in my case, I've gone for, this is the script, change it to the morning picture. So, I need to get the path of that. The way I can do that is I just go to the folder where it is, click in there, Control C, and then put it in there, backslash, and then stick the name of the file on the end, which is o1 morning.png. So if I save this, I need to go to File, Save As. Now this is important. Where it says Text Documents here, click on that, and then press All Files. And then where it says .txt there, change that to VBS, so it says o1.vbs. Press save. You can close this, and then you can delete that text document. You don't need that anymore. Now when I run the script, it should change it to o1 morning. It doesn't always work for some reason, but it will work once you've scheduled the tasks. It's a bit weird. Just make sure I've got that right. Yeah. Okay. So sometimes it works when you double click it, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, there we go, you see, double click it, changes the wallpaper. Cool beans. Okay, now you want to create a wallpaper for each and every, sorry, let me say that again. You need to create a script file for each and every one of these images that you want to set as the wallpaper. So I'm just going to copy it to save time and just call it o2.vbs. Edit, and then you want to change the file path here to where you want your second wallpaper to be. So in this case it's o2 late morning, because it's in the same file path, it's just the file itself has changed, so I don't need to bother about all those. Okay, file, save, just save that. Okay, running that should, yeah, changed it to that, you see, which is cool. I find I need to click on it a few times to actually change it. Don't know why. Bit weird. Don't worry about that. It doesn't matter for what we're trying to do. So let's create one of these for each one. Make sure you keep consistent names like o3.vbs. It just makes it a bit easier. It doesn't really matter. Makes it easier. Edit o3, which is afternoon, and so on and so forth. Just changing the name in here to match the name of your document here. Also, I should probably mention, make sure you get the right extension at the end. In my case, it's .png. If your thing isn't, for whatever reason, showing the extensions on the file name, it's easy to fix. Just right click, properties, and it should tell you right there. You see, type of file, png image .png. So don't worry about that. So you want to create one of those for each of these, and I'm going to go and do that because I'm a lazy bummer, and I don't want to. Well, I'm not lazy. I just don't want to force you to sit through me doing all this. And I'll be back in half a second. There we go. Created all my scripts, as you can see. Changes it fine. Each one works. There's a little bit of a delay between changing, I've noticed, occasionally. That one doesn't want to seem to work. What's wrong with that? Weird. Wait, if I roll it set, no. There we go. It works. Okay. Cool. So just test each of your scripts. Make sure when you double click on them, or triple click, or quadruple click, as I had to do, that it changes. Right click. There you go. That's the code again. If you just want to see it, I will put it in the description, so you can copy and paste it if you want. Save that. Okay. So pause the video. Go back. Pause the video if you want to get that. Okay, our next thing to do is you want to go to search. I'm on Windows 8, so it's different on Windows 7, but I'm sure you know how to search on Windows 7. You're not stupid. Schedule tasks. So you want to search for scheduled tasks. I've already created my tasks here. So what these are the tasks, and it means that automatically at certain times of day, it's going to run that script and change the wallpaper, depending on the time of day. So I've already created mine, except for one, because I want to show you how you do it. So you want to go to create task. You want to give it a name. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 already. So I'm going to call it WP8 for wallpaper 8. You can call it whatever you want, doesn't matter. Okay, then you want to go to triggers, and new, daily, and this is the time that you want it to run. Seeing as this is late night, I'm going to set it for about midnight. So 00:00:00. Okay, so that's the time it's going to run. Then of course you need to tell it to run that file, that script. So you go to actions, new, browse, and then in my case it's 08.vbs to make it late night. So I get that. Press OK. Last but not least, you need to go to settings and then run task as soon as possible after a scheduled start is missed. So that's just going to mean that if you'll shut your computer down or something, when you switch it back on, it will automatically check the time and see, oh look, I need to change the wallpaper, and it will do that for you. Because if you don't tick that, it won't change until the next time along. Should be annoying. Okay, there we go. So I've created one for each and every wallpaper. Seeing as I had 8 wallpapers, 8 scripts, I need to create 8 tasks. So that's one at certain times to run the script to change the wallpaper, if that makes any sense. So that one sets it to the morning wallpaper at 5 o'clock. That one sets it to that one runs the script to set it to the late morning wallpaper at 10 o'clock. That one tells Windows to run the script to change it to the afternoon wallpaper at 12 o'clock, so on and so forth. Those are the times I've set. Personal preference, you can choose what times you want. I don't know. Doesn't really matter what time you change it. So there you go. That's how you do it. I hope you liked this tutorial. Hopefully this works for you. If not, PM me on Reddit or whatever. I will get back to you. I'll put my username in the description. Actually, I won't. Yeah, I will. Okay. I'll put my username in the description. Hang on a sec. Gotta answer this. Pause. Okay, sorry about that. Phone rang. I'm sure you heard. Okay, so that's everything. Today you've managed to successfully create scripts to change wallpapers, and then you've scheduled Windows to run those scripts at certain times of day. So that's how it works. I hope you like this tutorial. Is this where I was? Yeah, this is where I was up to. Where was I? Oh yeah. If you're having trouble with this, I will put my Reddit name in the description. Yeah, Reddit name will do. And just PM me there. If you haven't got an account on Reddit, just create one. It's easy. You don't even need an email address to create a Reddit account. So just email me or send me a message on Reddit, because I will not check my YouTube messages, but I will check my Reddit messages. So check those, or send me one of those if it's not working, and I will give you a hand. I'm willing. Of course, if this video gets popular, which I highly doubt, I will not reply to everything. Okay, even just drop a comment in the YouTube comments if you want. I mean, I can't guarantee I'll check those, but I'll try and reply to them. Anyway, I will see you around, I guess. New tutorial at some point? I don't know. I don't upload much. Alright. I think I should start doing more tutorials like this, if you guys like it. So you'd want me to do some tutorials like this, how to do some cool YouTube, what am I going on about? How to do some cool Windows stuffs. Yeah. Let me know if you think that's a good idea. Subscribe, like, comment, all that usual jazz. Goodbye. I will see you around.